Hello everyone and welcome. Today I have an unboxing of the replacement remote for the 4K Freesat boxes. You can get this remote from the Freesat or Amazon websites. I'll leave links to those in the description. If it's out of stock, just keep checking regularly, or you can contact Freesat directly and they might send you one that way. If you live in Ireland like I do and Amazon won't deliver to Ireland, or you want to buy this remote from the Freesat website, you'll have to use AddressPal by on post or a similar service that delivers parcels to Ireland that normally wouldn't be delivered to Ireland. Anyway, let's unbox this remote. So here's the front of the box, and as you can see, it says it's for 4K Freesat boxes only, so it won't work with any other Freesat boxes. Here's the left side, the top, bottom, right side, and the back. So it says, the Freesat remote gives you complete control over your 4K TV box, so you can access the TV guide, search for your favourite shows, or go straight to on-demand players with the easy access buttons. As you can see, it requires two AAA or AAA batteries, which aren't included with this remote. You can use any AAA or AAA batteries, but I personally prefer to use rechargeable, which work fine in this remote. There's also instructions on how to install the batteries in this remote, which is very straightforward. So let's take a look in the box. As you can see, there's a white box you slide out from the sleeve, which has a flap on one side to open it. And inside it is just the remote and nothing underneath it. There's no paperwork or anything. And like it says on the box, there's no batteries included, so you're just getting the remote in the box. So again, if you'd like to buy this remote yourself, there's links down below in the description. And if you're in Ireland and can't get them to send this remote to you, you'll have to use a service like AddressPal from OnPost, who will give you a UK address you can use, and then they send the parcel directly to you in Ireland or to your local post office. There's other services that are similar to AddressPal. I'm not quite sure of any. I think Parcel Motel is one, but I'm not sure of anything else. But yeah, if you're in Ireland and they won't deliver, then that's just unfortunately how you have to do it. It works out a bit more expensive, but yeah, that's just what you'll have to do. Or you might find somewhere in Ireland that actually sells them, that imports them and then sells them themselves, and it might work out cheaper for you. So that's it for this unboxing of the 4K Freesat box remote. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.